trying to remove the splash guard because the flare goes all the way down and this one gets in the way. Also because of that bracket that goes along the edge right here, and it's a seat right about there. So I'm gonna have to remove all splash guards out of the car. Also, I'm gonna have to remove this batch because the flare is thick enough to reach this one, so it won't allow me to reposition it properly. So I'm gonna have to remove that. From here I don't have to remove anything else on the front. The bracket goes, it has like a little curve here. Here's like a little gap that allows the sheen splitter to stay there without removing anything, which is cool, and it sticks right here, so I don't have to remove anything in here. But the only thing I have to remove, if you have any splash guards, you need to remove them. It won't fit. Alright, I'm gonna try to apply some epoxy putty on this and this part of the flare. So what I'm gonna do is put I'm gonna fill in these gaps with some harden, and it will close this gap so we have more area, more surface for the double-sided tape that comes with the kit to attach to the body of the front bumper. In this case, this is for the front. So I didn't put any magnets on here because it's gonna be attached to plastic, so there's no way for magnets to attach to it. So I'm gonna just put that, fill in the gaps, put glue to it, and I'm gonna try to secure this bracket or something. I'm gonna secure it somehow on the back with the splitter. So we'll see how it looks. Okay, I'm gonna try to detach this thing with some people recommend fishing line. I'm gonna try this on knifeless tape. This is actually a finishing line, but we'll see how it goes with this and see if it works. I just want to remove that thing off. I have already removed this. Now I'm about to sit this thing on the car. I just already removed the badges and it's clean. Remove the splash guard. Now I'm gonna place this into the car, and the only special thing about this is that I'm gonna use magnets instead of drilling or glue, and we'll see how it looks. Alright, it's already on. Damn, it's looking good. I don't know. This is just attached with magnets. I didn't use anything. I didn't use any glue. I did glue the magnets to the flare. That's about it. And once attached to them, damn, it just stuck right in the spot. I mean, you gotta position it, wiggle it just a little bit till you get it right. There's a small gap right here, but that's because the magnet, it's a little bit what they call thick on this area, but I'm alright. I'm good with that. From far, you can probably tell a little bit, but it looks good to me. That or having to drill the car, rather have that little gap. Maybe I can fix it with a little bit of glue or something, but it'll just be fine for now. I just learned how to position it. Whatever, this is the first one out of 3. I think the hardest ones are the fronts, because I gotta remove the badges and the splash guards. Once I get the back ones done, the only hardest thing about this is attaching the magnets to the flare. Other than that, it's so easy. It's almost like plug and play. And I will show you guys in the next video how did I attach the magnets to this to the flares, what glue I use and what kind of magnets. But yeah, I just want to show you guys, and maybe on the part 3 we'll see. I'll show you how I paste it. I was running out of battery too, so that's why I didn't run a full video of how I was positioning and everything. I'll do it next time. I'll make sure prepare. But this is kind of like my test. I wanted to do it behind cameras because I didn't want it to mess up or whatever. Who would have thought magnets, man? Look at that. I don't know, it looks good to me.